Yo, SouFLoTV, what is going on? What a gone? Zoom! Wanna see it there? Yeah, real thing. Anyway, what we come to talk about today is KALADO posing on Instagram with a gun. A real gun in a blood cleats. Well, I don't even know if it's a real gun, people, because nowadays them have real gun or will look fake and them have fake gun will look real. So let's get that out of the way first. Anyway, seems to be a real gun. We do a little close up on thing. And I not call myself a gun expert, but I am somewhat of a gun expert. And remember, respect to all the gunman them. Gunman alone keep gunman friend. Fireball for all the informer them. Informer alone keep informer's friend. Respect to all the gunman them. Yeah. Anyway, KALADO posing on Instagram with a gun. It look like say after the Masicka thing get real the other day, KALADO feel violated. So all that gun talk, KALADO must have said to himself, say, I wonder if Masicka thinks a man are really a strap. Like man now hold a strap in. I forgot show that boy, you know, so subliminally, he want to put it in there, you know. So he put in a message, say, look, check that picture of my youth. You see this? You see where it's there? And I'm a waistband. Real thing, man, walk with them strappings. Could be. And that me get from it. The first question me ask when me see it, because Bridget call me now and say, yo my youth, you have to do one for that 1 year. Because remember I little beef with KALADO and Masicka, the little lyrical war with them have a go on. And we just say the thing I go lead up to Sting. And them turn Sting in a one blood clot, old fashioned throwback show. I mean, big up to all the elders, them, you know, start the thing, but a clash we look forward to at Sting this year, but them said no clash is going on. So KALADO said, alright, then I come out with my gun in my waist. Alright. So, I'm going to check out the thing. You send me a link, I check it out. I say KALADO, gun in my waist. Alright. The first thing me ask is this. Was it in Jamaica? Because you see the last video or the last picture when me see a youth put up on Instagram and he do a video up on YouTube too. And he might brandish some gun. It take about a week. When me see it, me say them will kill that boy then. It take about a week. And the next report me hear about the youth is police lick him down. So, for those of you who do not know that social media is monitored by law enforcement agencies of all types, you need to know that now, on top of the stupidness. So, back to the KALADO thing, me look on the picture and me say, it look like Jamaica in our background for real. But then again, maybe he was in another country where look like Jamaica, Curacao, Costa Rica, somewhere like that, you know, in our background. Could have done a Cuba, Haiti, I don't know. Any one of them places there, in our background, somewhere look like, say, the Jamaica. I don't know, but it brings some question to the table and hear what I'm saying. It did look like it was in Jamaica. So I start to question now the gun laws currently in Jamaica. I'm going to give you some facts. So I pull out my paper, me do my research, so I'm going to give you some facts. Alright. So before everybody goes hyping up that KALADO pose up on Instagram with gun, this is no Ricky Trooper. And he now go get flagged like how them did flag Ricky Trooper and take away visa. Because Ricky Trooper case was another case. And we're going to show you a little bit of that one that too. Anyway, the gun laws in Jamaica currently require background check, inspection, and payment, plus a yearly ownership fee. Alright? So, from KALADO, check out, in background check out. That means say man no criminal, him not no criminal record, him never got jail for rob, rape, steal, kill, nothing yet. Alright? Him check out, them inspect, they must inspect your life. I don't know what the inspection is about. Them inspect your life, them see how you living, who you parring with, what type of lifestyle you run, who are you as a person, an individual. You're a businessman, or you just a regular youth or want a gun. Alright? And payment. You must can afford the yearly ownership fee. In the paper, in the site when I read directly from Jamaica, we say it says a hefty sum that most residents find it difficult to afford on an annual basis. So that alone prevents most residents from owning a weapon. Me not believe so. How they disarm Jamaica? People, I want to go on Google and type in how they disarmed Jamaica, and then I'm going to read up on that. Forget a little bit about that. It was outside entities and the Michael Manley PMP people who don't come cuss me out. Michael Manley government and outside entities flooded the island with guns and then use it as an excuse for disarm everybody. Alright? Jamaica had a gun factory in it, and it was under the Michael Manley government. Michael Manley come forth and said, if a man get catch with even one bullet, not even the gun, you know, just one bullet, he want to use that man there as an example to make every gunman rather be dead than get catch with a bullet, much less the gun. So, he instilled some laws back then. And those laws gave police and soldiers the right to corral off any neighborhood, lock it down, and search with no reason at all, no proper papers or anything. Thank again, Michael Manley. Hey, me's not a PMP, me's not a JLP person. Labor rights, socialist, none of that blood cleat. I'm not into politics. May I read some factual things for you, so you can know how the gun laws stay in Jamaica. But staying on topic, we're talking about KALADO posing with a gun in his waist. So, may I try to tie in the thing to make you understand how it's possible that the man can pose with a gun in his waist, a real gun, in Jamaica, and don't get in trouble for it. Alright. Suppression of Crime Act. People wanna go and look up the Suppression of Crime Act for Jamaica. Alright. Here are the fees. There's a 200,000 per annum or yearly dealer's license. That means that if you want to sell gun, alright, you want to be a gun dealer, legitimate gun dealer, you want to open a gun store and sell gun, 200,000 annually at the fee for your store, on top of all the other bills. There's a 20, alright, getting a real thing. The license to carry anywhere in Jamaica. This is not a limited license. That means that we can go from clearing all 14. We can run through all, big up JLP. We can run through all 14 with my strap-ins, right? That is $12,000 per annum to be able to run through all 14 with the strap-ins. No limits on your license. Hey boy, I have a license thing for me, you know, me bust it in your face, you know, boy. Go, sir! Yeah, me have a flashback. Me hear two men argue the other day, and that one of them said to the next one. Anyways, limited carry. That means they will specify in writing on paper borders that you can carry. That means that you can probably only carry inside of Kingston. I mean, the parish of St. Andrew. You can carry in the parish of Clarendon, and you can carry in the parish of St. Elizabeth. That's it. I don't know how the limits go, but me know say the limited carry is $6,000 per annum. That said, the $12,000 per annum is for one gun. The limited carry $6,000 per annum is for the same one gun. There is a $5,000 per charge for each additional gun. $5,000 charge per annum for each additional gun. And to increase your gun permit limit, that means if you want to go from limited carry to unlimited carry, that means that if you don't want to carry in only 4, 5, or 7 parishes no more, you want to run through all 14 like JLP and one vice them with your strappings legally, then you have to pay a $6,000 fee to change your license from limited carry to anywhere carry. Alright. The point of my going through all that is to tell you this, that simply put, KALADO is rich by Jamaican standards. There are many more people in Jamaica that are way richer than KALADO. Like if they wake up with KALADO money, they would have committed suicide to blood clot. So, but still by Jamaica's popular standards, KALADO is rich. Okay? Not only that, he's a public figure and he must protect himself. Those are the grounds on which he's able to own a weapon legally. On top of that, he's a touring artist. Again, he's a public figure and he has the money to pay the fees. So he can afford to carry a gun. And hear this, there is no law saying it is illegal to brandish your weapon on social media. So there you have it. Now let's check out the Ricky Trooper part. And Ricky Trooper didn't lose field visa for brandishing on YouTube because I never Jamaica in there. He has no registration or he has no listed registration in the United States of America in any state to be in possession of a firearm. And as you know, in the United States of America, you can own 50 guns if you want to own them. You can own 100 guns if you want to own them. There are no extra charges to own your guns here. You just pay for them and you own them, right? But Ricky Trooper, when him come here, him did that on the thing I say, put this on YouTube and my flash a gun. And at the same time, he was
YouTube. This with them on YouTube. The blood clot, yo.
Making threats to people who, and I said them deserve gunshot and all that while flashing a gun. If you're caught in a gun with a gun in America and the gun is not legally registered to you, then you are in possession of an illegal firearm. So Ricky Trooper was in possession of an illegal firearm. I mean, I don't know if a true Trooper did junk. Big up Trooper same way. I don't know if a true Ricky Trooper did junk and him liquor and weed and whatever. But him committed a crime on YouTube. So the man snitched on himself then. Him videotape himself. They on YouTube with the thing I go so. Put this on YouTube. I'll chill forget. Gunshot in them. Yo, it's SouFLoTV, man. Wanna like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thanks for the support as always. Yes, I'm up out of here. Peace. Love it.